Stop scrolling. Today I'm making the easiest, crispiest, and most delicious spicy potato cheese bombs ready in minutes. And dangerously addictive. Let's get started. First, I chopped my potatoes and added them to a pot. Tell me, where are you watching from? And do you prefer your potato snacks extra spicy or extra cheesy? I love reading your comments. Pour in enough water to cover them, add some salt, and cook for about 20 minutes until the potatoes become soft and tender. Once cooked, drain the water and mash the potatoes until completely smooth. This will give us a perfect base for our crispy potato balls. Now let's season. Add salt, black pepper, paprika, and hot red pepper for that spicy kick. Mix everything very well so the flavors blend into the potatoes. Next, add 6 tablespoons of corn flour and mix until you get a soft dough-like texture. This helps the balls become crispy and hold their shape when frying. Take a small amount of dough and roll it into a ball. Press the center with your finger, create a small space, and fill it with mozzarella cheese. Close it carefully and shape it back into a smooth ball. Heat oil in a pot. When the oil is hot, gently place the potato balls inside. Fry them until they become beautifully golden, crispy, and puffed up. Look at that color. Absolutely perfect. If you loved this recipe, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious ideas. And that's it. Crispy on the outside, soft inside, and filled with melty mozzarella. The spicy flavor makes them even more irresistible.